8:45 this Saturday morning. The sun is up this morning, and it's going to be pretty warm out there still for this time of year.
Yeah, so we're starting out more comfortable compared to the last few days, but even the temperatures right now are already warmer than normal, and by the afternoon, we will continue to be warmer than normal. We just can't seem to get seasonal conditions. But it is on the way, even if it is just for maybe a day. We'll get a nice taste of our version of fall. It will finally feel more like the beginning of November. And then we're going to go right back to our warm conditions. A little bit of a spoiler alert there for you. But as we step outside right now, beautiful blue sky from downtown Fort Myers. We can see a few passing clouds trying to develop, but everything really is tied to that cold front that's stalled out, that boundary to the south. It's warmer, it's a little bit more muggy, and we are seeing areas of cloud cover and some patchy fog. Golden Gate and Everglades City, both Golden Gate City and Everglades City, 73 degrees, while Arcadia 68, 69 in LaBelle and Port Charlotte, with a 70 in North Fort Myers and 71 in Estero. So it's pretty easy to see that even though it's not a big temperature difference, that there is a boundary splitting our region almost in two, almost right along the Caloosahatchee. And again, not a big difference, but it is something you will notice for more sunshine to the north and a little bit more cloud cover and fog to the south. But even with the lingering clouds, there's no rain that we have to track right now on the NBC2 First Alert Live Doppler radar. So get outside, enjoy your morning, enjoy the day, but know that those passing showers are still possible by the afternoon. So here's 4 o'clock, and you will notice, no, this is not a washout by any means, but it's going to be a lot like the last few days, where a few areas of rain, some downpours will develop along 41 and 75, and then really just almost rain themselves out in the same location. By the time the sun starts to set, a few lingering showers will be possible, even pushing out toward Lake Okeechobee, and a few lingering during the overnight hours. But again, this is not going to be a washout of a rain event. This is remnant moisture being pushed out by that boundary continuing to move south. So there's still some moisture in the air as a slightly drier, slightly cooler air moves in. It's pushing out that excess moisture. We get some cloud cover and we'll get a few passing showers. That's likely what we're going to have today and then throughout the day tomorrow. We do expect temperatures again to be warm, up into the upper 80s to near 90. We should be at 84 this time of year, so we're definitely well above normal. Maybe a nice afternoon for a dip in the pool as long as you can dodge a few of those rain showers. Dew points, though, one of the big tellers in our weather. They've dropped into the upper 60s, and know that yes, it's not completely comfortable. It's not the most refreshing air. It is lower than where we have been the last few days. We've been in the humid and oppressively humid category, and now we're just a little muggy, a case of the muggy, if you will, and that humidity is actually going to keep dropping as we go throughout the day, which is why tomorrow morning is going to be more comfortable, and much of the day Sunday is going to be more comfortable. But watch what happens. The humidity, it rolls right back in. It's with us for this upcoming week until Friday and into Saturday. You see the humidity being carved out once again. Yes, that is another cold front trying to work its way south. This one looks like it could move even farther south than this one that we're dealing with right now, which could drop our temperatures even more by next weekend. That is still a week away, so we have to just get through our time change and our brief taste of fall by tomorrow, and then we have those warmer conditions back to near 90 for the rest of the week, and then we track that front by next weekend. That's your NBC2 First Alert forecast.